2013 Chevy Avalanche. White exterior, black leather interior. Alloy chrome wheels. Full hardtop tonneau cover. Full tow package. Rear view camera. Rubber mat in the box. Full black leather interior. Extremely good condition. Fully detailed. Power passenger seat as well as driver's seat. Dual climate control, 67,000 kilometers. A few little chips in the bumper as we talked about through our email. Tow hooks in the front, fog lights. Little tiny chip in the hood right there. Chrome mirrors, rain guards on the windows. Power driver's seat, slight crack. Power brakes for towing, 4-wheel drive.